Hello, everyone. It's this week's crypto episode. I'm Jam,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. I didn't wake up, but my hair still is messy, and I think I need to get a haircut. That's what I just realized. Anyways, let's start with the prices of the cryptos. So, coin market cap index is up nearly 3.4% in the last 7 days. CMC 20 index, Bitcoin trading around 80,000. 900, let's say, dollars, up 3%. Ethereum trading around 2,330%, up a bit less than 1% in the last 7 days. Ripple, $1.42, trading around up 2.7% in the last 7 days. BNB is up 650, is trading around $650, up 5.3%. And Solana, winner of this week, trading around $94, up nearly 12%. um I don't know how to analyze these prices. It seems like, as I was saying, I said this last week as well, and correct me if I'm wrong, but you agreed with me as well. This is a classic bull trap, in my opinion. I am still positive on my stance, saying that this is the bull trap and we are in the bear market. These are just like really short term futures trading possibilities. Other than that, I'm just waiting for it to drop to hopefully to 60s so I can start buying again. Other than that, what I can say is that Ethereum was really slow in terms of the run, in terms of the bull run, still is slow. Solana, it was okay, but the winner of this bull run was definitely Ripple, and just stable right now, which is what we would normally expect from Ripple. Right now, it's slow as well. So yeah, that's about it.
Uh, yeah. So I mean, honestly, I have not much to add with crypto. I think you said it pretty fine with what we said last week as well, and you said it exactly right. I think we're coming into this bull trap area. I mean, I said exactly what's happening right now. We get this little comeback, maybe reach 90K. I'm also confident we can even reach the 100K back. Maybe just around there. But overall, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin and crypto in general, for the
Yeah,
next
me
6 to
too.
12 months at least. So,
All, all I can all I can think about is because, like, right now, markets, including stock market, not only the crypto market, markets are kind of like waiting to burst out because of the war. Like, whenever the war ends, like we've seen this with the stock market, the moment that they say that, oh, oh yeah, there's going to be a ceasefire, a treaty is going to be signed, blah blah blah. Market just like accelerates really highly, just like 5%, 6% on nearly every stock. We haven't seen that in crypto, but this is the only possibility that I would expect Bitcoin to go as high as hundreds. But I'm just, as I said, I think these are just bull traps in
yeah.
general. Yeah.
Yeah, no, completely agree. We'll just have to see, I guess, right? What happens if we're right or wrong. That's the main question in a couple of months'
This
time.
is yeah, this is always what happens, and I think this is the reality that we need to deal with. Not a financial advice, but if I were to do a trade on futures, I would definitely go for short right now. I would go for short.
I still hold my Coinbase. I bought it around the recent crypto dip as well, right? A couple of weeks, months ago, I guess. Already like 2 months
Mhm.
ago. So I'm holding this for this short-term run, right? And then I'm probably gonna
Yeah.
sell out as well soon. But um, yeah, and then buy again from the dip. Hopefully, getting crypto under 50K. I think that's my I think that's my dream. I want to buy a crypto under 50K.
Yeah,
Um,
if it drops down to 50K, yeah, definitely putting all my money there and waiting for like 2 years for it to do the, what's it called, run. that it had in 2025 essentially, but we are going to see. We are going to see.
I would just quickly touch on commodities.
Yeah, go
Um,
for it.
Honestly, not a big change. We had a little bit run on gold and silver in the last week. Silver is up 5.8%, gold is up 2%. Brent and crude oil down 6.4% in the last week. So we saw a little bit of a drawback regarding that. Um, but again, still, I think very volatile in the short term. And I think we can still expect something with oil, especially with markets. I think we're going to talk about the market obviously in a second, but especially with the markets being at all-time highs, there's always like a chance of drawback, right, or correction a little bit. And I think obviously with oil and still the current situation that everybody now forgot about doesn't exist anymore. Um, I think that's still possible, that oil can make a 10 to 20% jump within a couple of days, right? We've seen this, especially in the last couple 2 months. And if that happens, I guess the market can correct a little bit. But yeah, we shall see, I guess. I don't know. Commodities have very cooled down, as you can, like gold, silver, it was really hyped like a couple months ago. If you remember back,
Yeah.
right? Everybody
hmm
bought at the tops, I guess. Um, But right now it really cooled down. I don't know, not I don't really hear about it too much. I mean, it's commodities, it's gonna stay around, but you know what I mean? Like from the
Yeah.
news-wise.
Um. Yeah. No. 100%. I agree with you. It's just. Yeah. Definitely. No. 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 What I can say is that definitely, like gold, I think we can fall off. But in terms of oils, right now it is highly dependent on how the war is going to be like. So oil is like very volatile, but gold, I think it just lost this volatility, and I can even go as far and say I think this is the price of gold right now after the run. I think it's going to stay around here for a while, and it's just going to increase. Like, is it all wasted? Like maybe 10% a year, maybe less, 5% a year. So that's about it, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think yeah, exactly. I think it had a beautiful run the last 5 years, right?
Yeah.
And and I think gold is in the position where it can cool down a little bit.
Yeah,
And
yeah, I think so.
yeah. So otherwise I don't really have much to add.
Yeah, neither do I. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Your grandma, your grandpa. See you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.
Ciao, 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 ciao.